5 Best Sewing Machines. Mini Multifunction Expansion Platform Portable FHSM 505 Sewing Machine, Mechanical Configuration, Flatbed. Power, Other. Weight, 0.5 kg. Feed Mechanism, Walking Foot. Stitch Length, Other. Stitch Formation, Lock Stitch. Condition, New. Overall dimensions, 350 x 250 20 mm. Max. Sewing thickness, Other. Type, Expansion Platform. Mini Sewing Machine Set Handheld EU Plug Dual Speed. Automatic sewing of 2 speeds or foot pedal control. You can choose a more appropriate mode of operation according to their habits. Designed to sew sleeves or any narrow opening in garment. Suitable for using when the light is dark. Thread cutter include, more convenient for sewing operations. Power supply, using DC 6 volts power or 4 AA batteries, not included. Fanghua 12 Stitches Mini Sewing Machine. Double Speed, Double Thread. The Double Thread, Double Speed Sewing Machine features 8 built-in stitch modes, giving you plenty of options including zigzag stitch, while the machine also allows for reverse sewing to ensure no loose ends. Press foot replaceable. Forwards and reverse sewing. Automatic thread rewind. Sews sleeves. Concealed drawer for storage. Mini Portable Handheld Sewing Machines. Sewing Machine Portable Mini Stitch Handheld Electric Travel Household. Handy Stitch is the portable handheld sewing machine. It is great for quick repairs or jobs that conventional desktop machines cannot handle, like sewing curtains while on the rod, or mending a torn without having to remove your pants. Small size, easy to carry and place, very convenient. Fulfills your various sewing requirements in daily life. Mini Handheld Sewing Machines Dual Speed. Mini Desktop Use Sewing Machine offers double thread sewing, neat and straight stitch. Automatic winding of bobbin thread and upper thread, easy to replace. The speed can be switchable, low or high speed. With a light, convenient to thread the needle. Come with a pedal. You can choose hand switch or foot pedal to control. Lightweight, compact and portable, can save more space and manpower. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.